Welcome back. As we know it, you can able to perform insertion operation, deletion operation, search operation, as well as traversal operation in the single linked list. Now, in this video, we will discuss on how to perform insertion operation at various places. You can able to insert a node as a first node. Also, it is possible to add a new node between the nodes. Also, it is possible to add as a last node in the linked list. Before doing these operations, first we will understand the structure of a node along with the C syntax. So you can create a node with two fields. One is this field can use it to store your data, and then this field can be used, that is this reference field can be used to point out the address of the next node. So what we do, first we will create the structure name called as a node, and then we created two members. One member is called as a data. Since we are considering this no node, we are considering to store integer type of data, we will declare this data type as integer type. Then this reference field is pointing to the other node. So what we'll do, we'll consider as a pointer, and then the type is called as a node. Now you can see here this first field is connecting with the data, and then to point out the next node we are adding the next. To create a new node, first we will create the name of the function name called as a create node with the respect to data. Now this new node will be created, and then the memory is allocated to the new node based upon the structure of the node. Now the node has consists of two fields. One is called as a data field and next field. What we do, the whatever we received from the argument, we are allocating this data to the new node data. Similarly, we'll assign the new node next field as a null, and then finally we are returning the new node. So you can see here this data field is connecting to the new node. Similarly, the null pointer is connecting with new node next field. To insert as a first node, what we do, we'll create a new node element by calling the function name called as a create node. This will create a new node. Now let us consider we pass the data as a 10. Then let us consider we have existing elements in the existing nodes in the linked list. So let us consider the nodes are having the values of 15 and 20. Now what we do, first we'll change new node next field with address of the head. So after that, what we'll do, we will change new node as head node. So let us consider how do we insert a node between the two nodes in the single linked list. So let us consider we have elements, or we have nodes called as 15, 16 and 20 with the existing linked list. Now what we'll do, we'll try to insert a new node next to the 16. Now we will point out this 16 as a previous node as a reference. Then we will change, or we will modify this linked list with new node. So what we'll do, let us consider our newly created node is considered as new node, and then with the value of 17. So now what we'll do, we'll anyhow the node, this node address is available under previous next. So that's why we'll change the new node next field with previous next. So with this line of statement, what will happen, it will connect the new node next field with previous next. Similarly, we'll change the previous next whatever is available with the address of the new node. So by executing this statement, it will connect our previous node with new node, and then we will remove this link. Now if you see into this, the new node has been added between two nodes. Now we will see how do we add the node at the last. To insert as a last node in the linked list, first what we'll do, we'll allocate the memory and then create the new node. After creating the new node, we'll try to insert this new node with the existing linked list. So let's say our existing linked list consists of two nodes, 15 and 20. Now what we have to do, initially we may be in this particular place. We have to continuously traverse and we have to reach to this end of the linked list. So how do we check whether are we reaching to the last node of the existing linked list? By checking this condition saying that in case if this node is not as a last node, what we'll do, we'll change the current position from here to here. In case if since 20 is the last node, let us consider this will be the current now. And then what we'll do, we'll change this current node next field with address of this new node. So now by executing this line of statement, what will happen, it will create the connection between your existing linked list with the new node. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.